First, at the invitation of President Emmanuel Macron, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will be visiting France from 10th to 12th February 2025. This visit is on the occasion of the organization of the Artificial Intelligence Summit, the AI Action Summit that France is organizing. And Prime Minister will co-chair this AI Action Summit alongside President Macron of France. The visit will also include a substantial bilateral component, and I'll walk you through some of the key elements of that bilateral component. You would recall that last year President Macron was the chief guest at India's Republic Day celebrations, our 75th Republic Day last year. The two leaders have been in regular touch with each other, and in fact during 2024 they met on 3 separate occasions. I just mentioned the Republic Day in New Delhi. They also met on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Italy, and then on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Rio de Janeiro. Insofar as the program in Paris is concerned, the Prime Minister will arrive Paris in the evening of the 10th of February. He will that evening attend a dinner that is being hosted by President Macron at the Élysée Palace in honor of visiting heads of government and heads of state. The dinner is also likely to be attended by a large number of CEOs from the tech domain and a number of other distinguished invitees to the summit. The following day, on the 11th of February, the Prime Minister will co-chair the AI Action Summit along with President Macron. Just a few words about the AI Summit and artificial intelligence itself in general. All of you are aware. In fact, I think you are probably all holding an AI app in your hands on your phones or on your laptops. Artificial intelligence is bound to have and is already having profound impact across all sectors of the economy, polity, society, and governance. And therefore, summits such as the AI Action Summit are both significant and timely. For those of you who follow AI closely, you would be aware that this is the 3rd such high-level summit that is being held in the very recent past. The first of these was in the UK in 2023, the second one in the Republic of Korea in 2024, and now this one in France. The summits are driving the global discourse on, apart from other things, the governance of AI technology. And we expect that a leaders' declaration will be adopted at this summit. India's own priorities, again, for those of you who follow the subject closely, you would be aware that we are interested in AI applications that are designed, developed, deployed, and used in a safe, humane, responsible, and trustworthy manner. There are, of course, issues related to the inclusive use and application and deployment of AI, and of course on the possible, in a sense, inevitable technology gap that we expect these kinds of developments to create, and which it is our effort to try and minimize as much as possible.